there, my name is Bill Hollis. So I've been blessed to be part of this car care ministry for over 20 years now. We just realized we've hit a milestone of 20 years this year. You know, we're blessed to come into this facility of S&S to be able to change oil and take care of these cars for these ladies and men. We have some single fathers also that we take care of. This is a ministry that just fills a need where, you know, they may not get their oil changed because of money, but Silverdale has stepped up and just continued this ministry through our initiative of small groups. A small group created this ministry, and it's just grown and grown and grown. I've probably got 30 guys here, maybe 35 here today, and it's growing more and more with the men that want to come do this ministry, because today, out of those 30 or 35 men, I've got maybe 15 that are new, never been here before. So I'm thankful that they're willing to come in and do this kind of ministry. It's really cool to see the faces on the ladies as I go out there and I give them their car keys back and say everything's good. You know, I would encourage you, if you feel led, come to car care. Come and see what we do. Give to the ministry, because there's some cars that need some work. It's exciting to see the outcome of what goes on with this ministry.